What's up guys, I'm back again with another new tech news of Samsung S11 series. As for we all know, Samsung is gonna hit the ground in this year in February by releasing their S11 flagship, and almost every feature of this Galaxy S11 series has been confirmed. Some of them are 100% confirmed, as we know that 120Hz of refresh rate, 108 megapixel camera sensor on S11 lineup, and rumors running for some features. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about this thing in this video. As we all know, Samsung is gonna launch their flagship in 2020. So according to iceuniverse, he tweeted in a tweet Galaxy S20, and then in a next tweet he said that 2020 is the new year and 20 is the new beginning. So this is a teaser from him that Samsung is gonna do something unique, something that we haven't expected till now. About Samsung is actually gonna launch their Galaxy S11 series with the name of Galaxy S20. Yes, this is kind of weird. As we all know, from S1 to S10 it's been a regular pattern of numbers and we have seen the consequent numbers, but then why Samsung is going to do this stupid thing? Well, there is no reason behind it for now. All we can confirm is the names of every three variants of Samsung S20. Samsung is going to Ultra this time. This is a funny thing, but it's true, as not just by name. Also, Samsung is having Ultra features in this smartphone series in S11 lineup. So the base model, that is of 6.2 inches, will be named as Samsung Galaxy S20. The middle one with display size of 6.7 inches will be named as Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and higher end variant of 6.9 inches is named as Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now these are not named for now. This is just according to tweet from iceuniverse, but it is literally a weird thing. If you ask for my opinions, then I really liked this Ultra name, but this 20 is just kinda awkward. Samsung named it 20 because of start of new decade, as it is the 2020 year. So Samsung decided to go through this name. Well, that would be new thing for us. Again, this news is not officially confirmed by Samsung. Along with that, we also have news regarding the CES 2020 of Samsung products. One thing that Samsung is gonna show off on their CES event is really amazing and a cool piece of tech, and it is named as Neon. And this is an artificial human that can actually work with you, even can speak with you in different languages. And for now we don't have much information about that. Only thing we have is this little animation and some posters showing different languages. And this Neon artificial robot is not gonna have anything that is related to Bixby or any voice assistant. It will be totally a unique tech. And another cool piece of tech Samsung is gonna reveal is their brand new zero bezel 8K QLED TV. Zero bezel TV. Samsung has already made so much thinner bezel displays in some of their TVs, and this time Samsung is going to reveal an 8K zero bezel TV. It means that we will see almost no bezels anyway. We will see much information on Consumer Electronics Show on 6th January 2020, and I am excited for that event. Another thing that Samsung is going to release their Galaxy Fold 2 before the launch event of their Galaxy S20 lineup, maybe on their CES event. So let's see and wait for that. Till that, stay tuned by subscribing, and that's all for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.